Hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today I'm going to be doing my TBR for December. So these are books I hope and pray that I can read because I have time, guys. I literally start vacation on the 3rd. I have no excuse. On the 3rd, which is tomorrow. So I should be able to read these. That's what I'm telling myself. So we're going to go ahead and start off by saying this needs to be done. I need to finish this. It's going to happen, guys. It's going to happen. And when I'm done, I will let you guys know. And if I don't finish in December, y'all could just go ahead and comment and point them fingers, because I really don't have an excuse not to finish this. Because it's actually good. It's actually good. Then I'm going to get into this. I've read 2 chapters already, which is The Same Earth by Kai Miller. And I love Kai Miller. You know, this is a Caribbean author. He's Jamaican. And he's funny as hell. I'm a little bit disappointed I didn't get to meet him this year when he was in Brooklyn for the Caribbean festival, and he was there, and you know, I didn't know until after it was done. So, but he is one of my favorite authors that has these Caribbean stories that are amazing. And in this one, The Same Earth, it's a girl, and she's just looked at in the community as you know, this whole folk tale about her being not something's wrong with her. She might be a bit evil, and all these other things, which, you know, you could tell by what I'm read so far that, you know, it's just her views are just taken that way. And something happened where she had to pack her bag. This is where the suitcase come in. And she had to get out of town. But I don't know what's going to happen. I am really going into this blind. I didn't really read the synopsis. I just saw Kai Miller's name on the book and I just picked it up. So the next book I'm going to read is Girl, Woman, Other, and this was the winner for the Man Booker Prize. And I definitely want to get into this. I've heard some really good reviews on this, and I don't know exactly the full idea of the story, so I want to go into it blind. But from what people are putting as 5-star reads, or people are praising it, I want to get into it and yeah, and read it. The next book I want to read is, when I went to Copa this year, which is a romance festival, authors festival in New York, and I have not read not one book. I think I have over 10 books that I picked up that day. And this one of the books that I've always had on my agenda to read, and I just haven't got to it. And it's called Violent Delights by Jessica Hawkins, and she signed it. I think I picked up another book by her, but this is a series. And then I also recently saw someone who was showing the 3rd book in the series, and I'm like, I need to get into this, because I just feel like this is going to be one of those really good romance series that is not just lovey-dovey, but has some serious, you know, shooter. Cause I mean, look at this. This is guns right here. So I need action. I need action, and I feel like this is gonna give me that. The next book that I want to read is another Caribbean book, and I feel like because this is totally out of my element, I want to just get into it, and that is Grey Born Rising, Derry Sandy. And this is I believe the author is he's Trinidadian. And I feel like, you know, again, I talked about this when I hauled it the first time, but you know, you see the machete. Yeah, see the machete. I have a thing for machete. It is bizarre, but you know, a man with a machete defending his woman. Yeah, I'm sure that's not what it's about, but it might be. Another blind going into this, but when I read it, I will let you know. Alright, the next one is another books. Again, you can see the trend here. Some of these I've picked up at book events and I didn't read them yet. And this is another one, The Travelers. And I thought this one was going to be interesting, the way he talks about the author. He was talking about how he took different stories of immigrant survivors in different countries and things they have experienced, and he connect the stories to make it into a full novel. And I thought the way he was explaining it was creative, and I just want to see how it captures in a novel form, being that these are different characters that he's met along the way who are not kind of related or connected whatsoever, but they have stories that are relatable. So we'll see how this one goes, and I'll definitely give you like a rundown on this. Then I have a thing, now that I've read her first book, is, oh my god, I didn't even get the sticker off the front, guys. It's gonna be a mess. Why do they do this? I hate when they put these stickers that's not easy to take off on the cover. Oh guys, it's gonna be a mess. But this is LaJill Hunt, and this is Private Property. And when I saw this in the store, I literally picked it up. I mean, bad enough the cover is the bomb. You know, look at this melanin coming out of the pool. And it gave me this like drama with a bit of might be some romance in there, but it's just I saw it and I said, yeah, I'm gonna try this one. And then because too I've been dibbly and dabby into a bit of a urban fiction, and I find that they're getting better. I talked about this quite a few months ago about why I had stayed away from a lot of urban fiction for a while, because I felt like the stories were just getting similar. And now that I've gotten a taste of, you know, ethics, and I got a taste of her other story, which I can't remember what the name of it was, but it was oh my god, Crisis, something Crisis. I'll hit it up on store because I did a review on that one. But when I saw all of this, I was kind of like, you know, I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna give it a try, and I'm gonna read more and let you guys know which one to pick up. But this one really captured my attention. And then the other one that I got to was the Dutch House by Ann Patchett. Now, I've never read Ann Patchett, and I saw this book and I was just like, why not? Like, why not? And there's a few people that I watch their videos and they've said some good things. I do know there's some people that don't like her writing, and there's other people who do, but I'm gonna, you know, read it and give my own opinion on whether or not, you know, it's an author I want to continue reading her books or not. So yeah, so that's where we're gonna go with this one. And that's it as far as physical. There are some ebooks. There's tons of ebooks that I need to get to as well, and we'll see once I start reading some of these how I feel. My mood might change and I might want to just pick up one of my ebooks, but we'll definitely, you know, be on this December Vlogmas journey with me and see what else I picked up. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day. Bye.